In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add layers in DaVinci Resolve. If you're new to editing, the word layers can sound a little technical, but in DaVinci Resolve, it's actually very simple. Layers are the tracks you see in your timeline, and they help you organize different pieces of your project. In most cases, you'll be working with video tracks and audio tracks. Video tracks let you stack clips visually, while audio tracks help you separate things like music, dialogue, and sound effects. To add layers in DaVinci Resolve, start by going to your timeline. This is the main area where all of your clips are arranged and edited. Once you're there, look at the track section of the timeline. This is where you'll already see the layers or tracks that are part of your current project. You'll notice that there are different types of tracks available. Usually these are divided into video tracks and audio tracks. Video tracks are typically shown in the upper part of the timeline, and audio tracks are shown below. This layout makes it easier to keep your visuals and sound organized as your project grows. When you want to add a new layer, all you need to do is right-click in the track area. This should open a menu with several options related to your timeline and tracks. From that menu, click on Add Track. Once you do that, DaVinci Resolve will create a new track for you, and that's it. This is especially useful when you need more space to organize your edit. For example, you might want an extra video track for titles, overlays, or additional clips placed above your main footage. On the audio side, extra tracks can make it easier to separate background music from voice recordings or sound effects, which helps keep your project cleaner and easier to manage. A helpful tip while working in the timeline is to pay attention to where your new track appears, so you can place your clips exactly where you want them. Keeping your tracks organized from the beginning can save a lot of time later, especially when your edit becomes more complex. So again, to add layers in DaVinci Resolve, go to your timeline, find the track area, right-click, and choose Add Track. That's the quickest way to create new video or audio layers and keep your project organized as you edit.